So the cleaning fingers to maintain these, underneath we have the jacking bolt that adjusts the distance of the end of the tooth to the drum. So that's just a 36mm and a 12mm Allen key. Very simple to adjust. Generally just run them very close to the drum, within a couple of millimeters. In very wet conditions you need it running very close to the drum. In dry conditions not so much. The tooth is hard faced again, and we put extra bits on the side because the sides are the most important. So as the tooth wears narrower on the sides, that will put a driving force out on the tooth, and it will get harder and harder to keep it in there. So as the edges go on the tooth, that's when you need to replace the tooth. Very simple. There's a special little tool you sit on there and you hammer that pin through. Inside there's a rubber lock that engages with the pin. So you just drive the pin out, slip the tooth off, slide a new one on, and then just hammer your pin back in the right way around. Job done.